I've been told I can weld anything together. Finally, I had to take it on to challenge myself to do something that I've never seen done before. I'm gonna weld rock together with electricity. You have two ordinary fire bricks, also known as refractory, also known as rocks to me. Rock 1, rock 2. Welder. Welder guy. Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's weld it together now.
Go ahead. Perfect.
All right. That's how hot she is. We're that hot.
Started the electrode on fire.
Let's see how we did. Let's see how we did.
Yep.
2 bricks welded together.
Good.
All right, now we got to brush our slag a little bit, see how we did. Our rock that we welded together. We go there. Yeah, we got good penetration.
Wow.
Right together, sealed it right up.
That's cool.